Okay, boss.
So from Ekurhuleni, we took a resolution of formalizing the informal settlements
Yeah.
with electrifying and giving them enough water and toilets. So now the problem starts here in my ward at Ward 52. The people of Makalakalen, they're going to have a fight with these people basezindlini because of njengoba babakhathele manje these cables ekukuthi bayababhatalisa igesi.
Yes.
Now they are disconnected. They're starting becoming angry. So we need a solution to a level of saying these ones abathenga igesi basemakalakani, but they can pay. They are ready to pay for electricity abanganikezwa yona uhulumeni. And the amateur 350 lawa abawakhiphayo, they should be paying maybe umasipala 100 rand or 250. And at first they want to collect this money as umphakathi wangale and go buy themselves transformer kumasipala. Babafakela amapole, then umasipala collect-ke lapho Eskom uzokwazi ukucollecta to these people ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi naye abe ne-collection of revenue, because there's no collection of revenue in this informal settlement. But people are ready to pay. It's us, the government, who don't come up with systems okumele zenze lokho. So they are ready, they are suffering, they want to pay. Can we please be assisted by the municipality, the provincial government, and the national government? We cannot make this abantu abamnyama basaphila kabuhlungu kanje. Sikhona, and we've got solutions that we can come up with. So let's come down and work with the people and listen to people what they are saying. Tonight, as councillors, we're suffering. We hear all these cries, but we don't have solutions because we're relying on the government and the budgets and all these things. But when we go to the ITPs and what, we get these budgets. But the budget cuts, the budget allocations, but end of the day, we don't see things happening. Can we be please assisted? I'm fighting for my ward now. Let the people of Makalakalen get electricity. Let the people of Mpilisweni get electricity. Let them get water. Let them get toilets. Because they are willing to pay. There's nothing else we can say. They want to pay. But the government is the one who doesn't have a system, even in the hostels. They want everything to go well in hostels, then they can pay. So please, hulumeni asebenzeni right ngokuthembeka nangeqiniso and change our people's lives. We said we're going for a better life for all. Let it be for all. We don't need these people just for voting only. They must be assisted also. They are trying now. Hey, we're voting, but we're not getting assisted. And we are here. So let us go out and find out what's happening and work. And finding out it's no longer working, because as councillors, we're reporting all these matters. The government allocates budgets and we work. Or we go to private sector to assist us. Anyway, there must be no red tapes here of us working with private sector in solving these problems. Can I please be assisted? And say, right, we're not happy. The community, if it's not happy, I, the councillor, I'm not happy also. I cannot stand for the government, covering the government in things that makes our people suffer. No ways.
Thank you, boss.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, boss.